Top of the morning to you, Jake.
What are you doing, man? Work started 6 hours ago. What's your explanation for this?
The top 10 do's of calculus.
Before you start, I have to ask, why'd you bring another scroll to the office?
Number 10, do it again. You'll be up all night doing the same problem 4, nay, 7 times until you finally get it right. Number 9, slope with a tangent line. Pick a point, any point, that's right, just add them right up.
First of all, that's not even right. It's called a derivative. Who taught you calculus? Have you ever even had a calculus teacher?
Did somebody say calculus teacher?
Oh.
Because I've been a milkman my entire
What
life.
are you talking about, man?
A milkman.
Do you even know calculus?
Definitely, maybe.
What are you talking about?
Definitely, maybe. Ryan Reynolds. Terrific film.
Oh, it's my professor, Mr. Calculus.
Calculus.
Oh,
What kind of name
Professor
is calculus?
Calculus.
I think it's French, yeah.
It sounds like a made-up name to me, sir.
PhD in coolus.
Sir, what school did you go to, actually?
I went to the school of the University of Half and Half.
It's pretty elite, man.
It's a made-up school. It's obviously a
It's
made-up
in
school. It
London.
says half and
Yeah,
half.
he has a diploma.
It says half and half right here. It's a made-up school. It's a bad teacher.
Moving on, number 8, integrate. Like the math whiz Dr. King once said.
Say what? What did he say?
Well, I don't know. How am I supposed to know what he said? He's been dead, what, like 1,000 years?
All right. First of all, you got this completely wrong. He wasn't a mathematician. He was an activist for civil rights. And second of all, integration is finding the area under the curve. How do you not know that?
Dr. Eulis, I don't.
Calculus.
I really don't think you're right. We should ask him. I really do think so.
What does integration mean?
Integration is add them all up and put them together.
Yeah, like Dr. King with the 2 different races.
How did you get a degree
Yeah.
in
Want
anything,
some milk?
let alone calculus?
He added them up and he put them together.
And I got half and half.
Next question, number 7. Change your name to Kevin. That's right. I'm talking about Kevin's theorem.
I think you mean Rolle's theorem. You know, you should really fact check before you make these scrolls. Where did you even get those glasses?
Abercrombie and Hitch.
Did you just misspeak?
No. Hitch. Will Smith, you wanna watch it?
Number 6. Don't forget the tricks. There's the quotient rule, the product rule, the chain rule, and the Amir rule.
Alright, you mentioned a couple rules. I mean, I gotta give you credit for that, but the Amir rule, you just threw that in there.
No, it's a real thing. It says it right here. Look it.
Ah, yes. The Amir rule, as stated here, F prime G plus G prime F.
I guess you stated a real thing, that's a product rule, but you can't just rename it after yourself, alright?
I think we can.
I think I can.
I think we can.
I really think so.
Definitely can.
Number 5. Remember to derive. Like I derive my car to work every morning.
I'm not even gonna respond to that one, honestly. How much longer do I have to endure this?
Number 4. Put on your thinking cap, a smile, and walk through the entrance.
Ooh, should have said door, right, bud?
Well, this is like my first draft. Just give me a chance.
Why are you even reading me the first draft? Like, shouldn't you have brought like a final copy of your scroll to read to me?
I mean, I wanted your feedback. I wanted to see if I'm doing everything right.
It's bad.
What?
You haven't said anything even remotely related to calculus.
Don't just
you told
say
me
it's
wrong
bad.
rules. It's bad.
Don't just say it's bad.
Well, it is.
Number 3. Don't forget about C. Just add it to the end, my dear friend.
Alright, you know what? I actually have a good trick to remember this. Great, this is going to blow your mind. The way I remember to add C to the end, to the third letter of the alphabet, works every time.
Oh my god.
Every time.
That's not even a trick.
Oh, I think it is.
You want to know another trick? Number 2. Skip a few. 99, 1,000. Remember this trick and you were sure to get an A.
Plus.
I'm sure you never got an A in any math class, let alone calculus. I mean, what was the last math class you took?
I took math emphasis.
Math emphasis.
Yeah, you want to see my transcript?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
I'll
do.
show
I
it to you.
I actually
Really?
do want to
'Cause
see your
I'll show it to
transcript.
you right now.
I do. I really do.
Yeah, here it is, the official transcript, and I passed with flying colors.
It says F. What are you talking about? That means
What?
you failed.
What's no? Like F means fantastic.
Yeah, you
What are
failed fantastic. And it says right here, you wrote this.
Oh.
You wrote the transcript. You gave yourself an F.
Oh shoot!
What is this,
Shoot!
bud?
I think anybody was gonna see that. Shoot! I thought I wrote that in that clear ink.
All right,
that,
all right.
Oh,
just
no.
Just get to the
No,
next rule.
no,
Just
no.
get to the next rule. We'll finish the scroll,
No,
and I
no.
can get out of here.
Okay.
Honestly,
No.
I'm getting really tired of this conversation.
Number 1. Have some fun in the sun, hun, because you're done. Odds are you never have to do calculus again. So kick back, relax, and call a friend because school is coming to an end.
All right, impressive rhyming effort. It was a good rhyme, but what did that even have to do with calculus?
Cause it's over.
And why do I care? It's summer.
Because that reminds me. Top 10 summer bucket list by Amir, Valerie,
Oh my
Hurwitz.
God, I'm going home.
Wait.